Wanted a plan watch walk in the fly-through for this Edmundbyers walk. We leave Edmundbyers heading south and pass a waterfall on our way to Westcott House. Before heading up onto the fells, passing a disused quarry, lamb-edged farm before reaching Stoterly Hill trig point. We continue across the fells, passing Harehope Hill, and eventually we come to the road crossing. Passing over the road crossing, we head down into a small valley and we pick up Feldon Burn, passing Feldon Lynn waterfall and 2 other waterfalls down this really tranquil part of the walk. Heading into the valley, we continue across the plains and then start to climb slightly past 2 disused cottages, and we head up onto Edmundbyers Common. And we have some great views back across the valley, and we can trace the walk, of which we've just completed. We head down once again off the common and conclude our walk in Edmundbyers.